Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Catherine Rivera, 39 years old, married with two daughters, 19 years old and 1 year old, Filipino citizen, currently living here at Barangay Banban, Bangi, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I have 12 years experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong with two different employers. My main duties are cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, marketing, car washing, and many more. To my future employer, I am willing to improve my skills to meet your expectation. I can assure you that I am a good person, hardworking, and trustworthy. I hope you will find me suitable as your domestic helper. Thank you and God bless.